You see life. You see what economy can do. After someone eats and drink.
That's what happens when your pocket is dry. And you're looking for wet pockets. You dance for people to see, then they wet pockets.
But water is small. This water is said maybe 2 or 3. I mean in need.
I'm very massive.
Why?
I get problem for you.
It's about you age why?
I get problem for you.
Plus dot. In fact, question mark. I get problem for
morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I just dropped off the kids and I'm here to or shop here on the main road. I want to buy some milk, wipe, and bread for breakfast because the bread that I have to the house is now finished. So I'm trying to get some for breakfast. You see?
You put the heavy things on the bread.
Ain't the way you do it, that's when they say it's how they call it. The bread will mash. But go on, you think the bread mash. And I'm gonna buying from them. Our service is amazing. This my baby here don't want to relax this early morning. And I want to relax this early morning. Yeah, guys, I'm tired. I've been doing some errands yesterday, but I didn't record because I was in a hurry. And I was rushing to get back home. I'll go back home. There was no light off. Like him I think 10 minutes after 12. And the heat was very massive. You're not going to make it, are you sure?
Yeah.
The heat was too much. So please, the new government need to try, please. The heat want to kill us.
What happened to the new government and the heat?
I suppose I leave without you. So long. Suppose I leave without you. Supposed to carry on. So let's dive right into it, okay, guys? I have my lip color gingery gloss here. It have a shimmer in it and a heart shape. It fits so well into your purse, your bag, and so on, and it changes your lip from light pink to maybe a darker pink or pink color than this. All depends on your pH balance, and this is one of my favorites, and my glosses are all hydrating, guys. Hydrating, it feels so soft and smooth. I also have my lip scrubs, Ranting lip care, that's the name. For now, we are not yet on Instagram. I'm trying to create a page for it, but that will be soon whenever I'm free. But this is it, we're available in Accra, Ghana, and soon enough you will have some in Liberia for sale, maybe this coming week or latest next week. Yes, so order your Orani lip gloss. These are the speckles. Very amazing, guys. Orani lip gloss. Who is it? I bite with your ear. Yummy, 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 yummy. Come here, kiss. 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 Orani hair oil, guys. Can you see the edges? I need a hair wash. I know it might take some time for the oil to work. For some people, sometimes you will see improvement in 1 month. Some people can see improvement in 3 months, 6 months, even in 1 year. Hair growth start with healthy hair and healthy scalp. This oil is not only to grow your hair, it's there to strengthen your hair growth. your hair follicles. It's there to strengthen your hair follicles, because your hair follicles have to be strong enough to give you a healthy long hair. Because if your hair green is weak, trust me, your hair will break. It also have to moisturize your hair. Moisturizing your hair have to take time. Everyone's skull is not the same. Everyone's hair types isn't the same. So because someone hair might grow faster than yours or might improve faster than yours, does not mean that yours won't work. Trust your hair and trust the product that you have, and trust Orani hair oil. Orani hair oil is what you need. Good afternoon. Welcome back. In fact, I need to welcome myself. Yes, guys. So, guess who hubby got a new car for, guys? In fact, he got a family car that I chose for the family, because this one is quite small and I don't want to do Jeep, because I guess some of the Jeep will even be smaller for us, and we got a van, guys. I am so excited. It came yesterday and we started the registration work for the van, and now it is all registered, but I'm not using it today because I tried using it and I had some few stops on the road with the police. Yeah, because it's not like I was using it for an errand or anything. I was trying to head to DVA office, and the police people started asking all a lot of questions and so on and so forth, because I think they expected me to fly with the car from my house to DVLA to register it. So I guess we need to start using airplane now in Ghana, since we won't be driving anymore to carry car to DVLA for registration. So that's our story for another day, but I'm so excited, but I'm also sleepy because I didn't sleep this morning. It's currently 57. Yes, guys, I'm here to pick my kids from school and then head home and eat some nice cassava rice. If you are a Liberian or you know about cassava rice, trust me, that will be on your mind all day. It's now on the fire. I left it cooking before coming, so I'm sure from a school year back home it will be ready. So yeah, I will show you guys the thing in this video after this clip, maybe today or tomorrow when I get home and I'm not tired. That will be today, but if I'm tired, that will be tomorrow or whenever I can pick up my phone or my camera, because nowadays I'm taking a rest from my camera, guys. It's not like recording on the camera is a headache, but I think editing on my phone is quite easier than editing on my camera. Not the editing on my camera, you have to transfer the video from the camera to the laptop, and I'm not used to that. I'm just used to editing it on my phone, because I also have the apps that I normally use for editing. Sometimes when you're driving and you park somewhere and you less space, you can just open that app and keep editing. But for the laptop, you have to sit down one place, edit, come back, edit. And my house is chaotic when it comes to noise. There's always noise from morning to night, except we are sleeping. So yeah, I just wanted to share you guys that I'm now a car owner of 2, but sadly I won't be using the Vate for my personal use. I'll be using it for something else, in which I'm trying to think about. Yeah, I look horrible, and this is from the heat. Nowadays the light off in the house is terrible, and the backup machine I will have for the house have issue. It will take some time for servicing, so we have to manage. Light off is every blessed week. I don't know why. I don't know if it is an assignment or whatever the electricity is coming from. They have to make the machine rest. I don't know what is happening to ECG, but God get us, guys. I just want to say happy Wednesday and stay blessed. I know from the previous vlogs I mentioned me heading to the hospital, getting requirement for my braces for my teeth. Okay, so it's something that I have to work with my insurance. Okay, and there are some paperwork I have to transfer here and there, and lazy me. Lazy me, I haven't even start any process yet, just for me to get to the hospital, get details, and be back and forth. It's one that is holding me. So yes guys, if you are wondering why there's no braces on my teeth, and I mentioned it before, hold on, I was surprised. I was surprised there was some braces, okay, because you see, it's embarrassing, but it's natural. It's God gifts, okay. It's not like, oh, God gifted me with my teeth like this, because of sucking my how they call it, my finger. That's the cause of it. So yeah, soon we're gonna do that.
I think I'm going to get that in the new car.
Yes, I'm supposed to bring the new car, but
What happened?
the plates for the car is not on the car yet, and I don't want to bring the car outside
I made a
so that police can disturb me. That's nice.
I
I don't want police to disturb me, because if I bring the car outside, there's no registration plate on it, they're gonna give me a hard time.
But when you're
Yes.
coming, there's no police.
There's police on the road though. Because sometimes when we're heading home, when the police no money,
But you
no,
have the car
no, I don't
key.
need to the extra man. Yeah, the car key all is together. And this one is the car key. This one.
Can I open it?
No, it's not yet to the house. You press it, it won't work. But don't press it.
But I press it with the door. Some cars, if you're far away, you open it, the car will open.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know how many miles away the house is
I said
from
some
me?
cars
Hmm.
in America.
Sometimes you have to be distant away, but not
Alusha,
this.
did you make this
distance.
a gel pen?
You made it with gel pen. It's not a pen. That looks like iron.
Yes, it's iron. It's for my.
Okay, guys. So see you all later. Love you all.